ko, just us being together. So, kahit ano man yung ginagawa, whether just lounging around, chikahan, siguro pinaka-isa talaga siguro top of mind is eating together. Kasi when you eat together, ano na yung chikahan namin, you spend quality time with one another.
I like watching my mom prepare. Kasi, it's been like a childhood thing of mine na alam ko na, Noche Buena na, may sila yung mami, naglilinis na siya, naglilinis na, okay, ito na yung pagkain, ito ganyan. And then, may parang Christmas set siya na, parang cinnamon something na she always likes of tuwing Christmas na. And, basta alam ko, it's just, kumbaga, it's like a sign, ito na Christmas na, nakaka-excite. Parang ritual siya, it's a routine. Yeah, it's what excites me. Mommy feels.
Still good. Well, you know, pag ganyan kasi, it's an event for everyone to see each other kasi it's very busy throughout the year. So, pero ang pinakaabangan mo dyan yung mga smile ng mga kasama mo. Kasi hirap naman na meron kang dalahin na problema sa mga ganong klase ng event, diba? But so far, thank you dahil lagi naman kaming masaya. Towards the end of the year, laging may ngiti sa aming mga lahat.
Always thankful and grateful sa nagdaang taon.